Hi besties, welcome to another vlog. So I just got done filming a haul from Yes Style. It's a sponsored video, so I just got done doing that, and now I'm doing a vlog because this day has been so productive. I just now started vlogging because I woke up so early today so I can just get shit done. So now that I'm done with filming, I have to go downstairs and check on the laundry because I started laundry the minute I woke up. So because I have like at least four loads to do of laundry, and I'm washing the sheets and covers, so that's gonna take a lot of the laundry. And because I like to change our bed sheets every week, that's just me. I like to wash them and change them every week. Anyways, let me just eat so I can continue vlogging later. But yes, I'll catch up with you besties in like a couple seconds. So I'm doing laundry. I think this is the last load because right now this one is the colored ones and it's done, and I believe there's some parts of the white. So I think this is the last load, which is like covers and towels that I have to do. So I guess I didn't show you guys the chair that I got. This was like a couple months ago, like I would say a month and a half. I showed it on Instagram. If you followed me on Instagram, then you know what chair I'm talking about. So just don't mind the mess in the background and these boxes because, like I said, we're moving. But anyway, I want to show you guys this. This is the chair that I got, like I said, a month and a half ago, and it's vintage. It's like about 100-something years old now, and you guys, I love this chair. Like I love this chair. Like it's like, look at how cute it is. This is gonna be in my future like studio when we move, because I have my own studio where I shoot content. So this is gonna be that accent chair. I cannot wait to style my studio soon, but right now she's downstairs here in the basement because I cannot really like use this chair for now. Hi besties, this is gonna be a continuation vlog from yesterday because I didn't finish vlogging yesterday, so I'm gonna continue it today. Right now I'm on my way to see my friend Clarice. We're gonna go to the mall and have brunch and go to the mall, but I just want to show you guys my outfit for today. Dress from Jerv Avenue. This blouse that I thrifted that I show you guys, it's a little, I think it's around 70 right now, so I'm gonna wear a dress because it's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's perfect weather. Necklace is Christian Dior, and this earrings are from Bijuri. And then bag for the day is my Alma BB from LV. I mean, it's fall, so I had to bring her out. She's been in the freaking box for so long, so I had to bring her out today. And anyways, I gotta go now because I still have to drive to her house, so I can park my car there and she'll drive us to the mall. But anyways, I'm gonna vlog today because I haven't been like actively vlogging, so today is gonna be a productive day, like with, you know, just date with the girls. All right, I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. Hi guys, we're back. Back with our bullshit. We're about to eat. Say hello. You miss her in the vlog. Yes, I know. Tell her to come back to YouTube. Anyways, we're waiting on our food, but we have salad and the other stuff. So yeah, we're about to eat. We got brisket. Second round na this. We have another bulgogi and Hawaiian bulgogi. Yummy. So we're here at the Galleria where they only have like the luxury items. Saan ka ba pupunta? Sige. But yeah, they have Bottega Veneta here. They have Prada. This is where I got my Prada and my LV bag. is the chair that I want for our dining table. Hi. Oh my god, I'm in heaven. Look at this couch. Anthropology, and I'm looking at their kitchenware. Cute. It's a YouTube. Hey guys, I'm at Neiman Marcus. Na, ano si pangalan si Tagalog anang nakuan eh. if you are here in Tyson's Galleria, thank you. If you're here in Tyson's Galleria, make sure to check on Ate Ruella. She will hook you up. Nga na mauwaw naman ka. Oy, gi-plug na tika. Guys. Guys, look who bought some Gucci. Now she's broke. I'm broke. Hi guys. $3,000 later. I'm so broke. She got 2 bags. Anyways, we are going
2 bags from Busai.
From Gucci. So we're going to get some boba. Gongcha. Yeah, we're gonna get some gongcha, and that's our last stop, and then we're gonna go to Walmart. I'm back home. So hold on, let me just put you guys here. So I am back home. It's been a long freaking day. I get a little bit clips this and there, but anyways, I want to show you guys what I got. I didn't splurge that much, but I went to well, we went to Abercrombie and Fitch, and also stopped by Neiman Marcus, and I want to show you guys what I got. First, I want to show you what I got from Abercrombie. I don't even know, this is like my first time buying from this brand, and I have been looking for a perfect pair of like a black jeans, and I saw this online, and I was gonna just order it online, but my friend and I went to the mall today, so I was like, you know what, let me just go there to the mall so I can try them on. But the fucking fitting room is closed. I don't know why they're still closed. I really don't know. Like, I just want to try the jeans on. So hopefully I did the method, like the neck method, it fits my neck. So hopefully it fits it actual, like, you know, when I tried them on. So I got the dad high-rise jeans in black, because like I said, I don't have any black jeans. I have like the regular denim blue wash, light wash jeans. I just don't have a black jeans. So I got these, and right there, hold on, yeah, this is the dad high-rise. And then the also good thing about this, I'm just gonna put a photo of the model because I took a screenshot, because I'm not gonna try this on right now, but just for preference, if you guys are wondering, the model is right here in the screen, but it's like crisscross. You can barely see it, but it's like crisscross. Cute. But yeah, it's this black pair of, you know, high-waisted jean. So freaking cute. So the next one we have here is from Neiman Marcus. Now, Ate Roella, if you're watching this, nabudol mo ako. But anyways, she is like, she worked at Neiman Marcus, and I got some, she talk about this like shower gel. This is vintage shower gel, and it smells good. I think I smelled like a couple of the fragrances they have, but there's only 2 fragrances that I really like, which is the first one that she wants me to get. but I ended up getting this one because I love this smell better. But it's from Molten Brown, London. She said this is like very like famous or whatever, and it's the vintage with elderflower. This is bath and shower gel made in England. Look at the packaging. I'm obsessed with the packaging. I mean, I'm probably not gonna like use this that much because, oh my god, it smells so good. If you guys can just smell it in the screen, it smells so freaking good. And if you guys are from the DMV, especially in if you're familiar with Tyson's Galleria, make sure to check or try to find Ate Rowella. She's an Asian Filipino like me. She's short. She'll hook you up. But yeah, she's really really nice. But yeah, love her. And I think I'm gonna plan on going back there because I think I might buy some like skincare, and I'm gonna contact her if if I need anything, or not just in like Neiman like a cologne or shower gel side. They also have like like the bags and whatever, and love some samples. Thank you so much, Ate Ruella. And anyways, so I don't want this vlog to be very long, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I started this vlog yesterday, and I don't want, like I said, I don't want the vlog to be long. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here, and hopefully I'm gonna vlog hopefully tomorrow again. But anyways, I have to take this makeup off and take a shower. I'm definitely gonna try that shower gel like right now, and then also gonna like relax because I'm so tired and like I'm fucking sleepy. But anyway, your besties, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you soon on my next vlog. Bye.